be on 5th of March, sorry. Now, in addition to that, we have 51 total number of teams who have come in. 27 men's teams from all over India and 24 women's teams will be participating. The defending champions, let me tell you, were Uttarakhand. Basically, we have players from ONGC who are extremely good, and the Indian Railways have been the defending champion as far as the women's section is concerned. The Indian Railways have been 6-time champions in a row. Now, as I just discussed with you earlier, that at the Lucifernia Games, which were recently conducted at Goa, India team won a gold medal in the men's section, and the credit goes to the Indian boys who were trained under coach Scott Fleming. And also our Indian women team won the bronze medal at the Lucifernia Games, and the credit goes to the players and the coach Fran, who would be here in a short while. Now, I would also like to tell you that this national championship was supposed to have been bidded by the Railways. I think at the last minute, Railways kind of said that they would not be able to organize it. Therefore, BFI is doing it independently. But however, we have requested Railways to chip in and to cooperate with us, but the railway teams is participating because we don't want players to suffer at all. And we want to ensure that they play a good deal of game, and they do get some championships, awards in this category. Now, at the final day, we have kept Harish Sharma Most Valuable Player Award, which is given in the memory of late Harish Sharma, who was the Secretary General of the Basketball Association of India, and also he was the CEO of BFI. As you all know that BFI has a partnership agreement with IMG Reliance, and they have supported us in all our ventures, giving us administrative and financial support. Recently, we have signed an agreement with Leaning, which is a sports company, and they have agreed to give all our players, especially our participating teams, all kind of kitting responsibilities. That is in terms of shoes, in terms of tracksuits, bags, whatever we require for our international exposures. So that we are also thankful to them, and they have opened a flagship store in India only last Sunday. And we are happy that somebody has come forward to support and cooperate with sports, and then we can take it from here way forward. Now, as I was discussing with you, there is a lot of talent not only in the cities but also in the rural areas, and as a result of it, we have sent already 7 children to IMG Academy in Florida to train and educate. Now, all these children would be graduating by next year, and we have received a lot of requests from various colleges in the US to accommodate them for higher education. And I'm sure that they would do a brilliant job, and also, as far as we are concerned, help us in achieving our goals and furthering the work of basketball in India. Now, I've given you most of the information. In case if you want the fixtures, we have the copy of them for you. I would like to also tell you that only very recently we invited the